Adult males stand 6 foot tall, and they're packed with muscle. They need it to fight for dominance. With claws sharp enough to blind an opponent, and kicks so powerful they can damage vital organs. This young male will soon have to step into this arena. It's a daunting prospect. To master the skills he'll need, he must go to fight school. Here, they get to grips with grappling, eye gouging, and most importantly, kicking. It's hard to pull off. To hit the mark, he must learn to use his tail like a fifth limb. It's designed to take his weight and add stability. After 6 months, his training's complete, and he's fully grown. Now he'll have to earn his place on this grassland. The gloves are off. This is the real thing. Now almost 3 foot long, his tail is 7 pounds of pure muscle. A firm anchor. He saves his strength, and then lands a punishing body blow. Powerful enough to stop his opponent in his tracks. With the skills he's learned, he's one step closer to becoming a champion.